Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I created my latest piece. So I start off by using my house paint mixed with my pouring medium. I will put the ratios for my pouring medium below this video. Actually, you know what, it's 1 part Floetrol, 1 part paint, and it's like a little bit of water to get the right consistency. Make sure that you cover the canvases fully, and then use your torch to make sure there's no little air bubbles in there, because that won't look cute at all. Now that my canvases are covered, I'm going to take my first colour and put it in a little formation of your choosing really, and then you carry on and do the same thing with all your colours. Once that's done, take your base paint again and flood out what you've just done. So as you can see, I'm going around my paint pattern and making sure that the edges are completely covered in the white base paint. So now you want to take your blow dryer on a fairly low setting and flood. So make sure your white paint is kind of covering the colour that you've put down on the canvas. So now at this point you want to take your blow dryer and work your way back through the paint and try and get it going in different directions so you can get some like petal shapes and whatnot. So whatever you want to do really, it's up to you. So at this point, I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't really happy with the way the paint was looking. I liked the first canvas, but the one that I'm working on, you can see me working in with that blow dryer. I was kind of having trouble with getting the paint to like flow and move where I wanted it to go. So I've just kind of gone through and made a few changes. So as you can see, I start working my way through my painting, trying to like blur out some of the lines. But shortly after this, I kind of stopped and I thought I was finished. I stopped the recording, but me being me, I went back in and I made more changes after the video had finished. So this is the finished result. As you can see, I've got a lot more negative space going on the right hand canvas in the corner, which I didn't have before, and I'm really liking it. And yeah. Hope you guys liked my video. Be sure to subscribe and look out for the rest.